In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove underline in Microsoft Word. If you've ever found yourself working on a document and noticed that some text is underlined when you didn't intend for it to be, don't worry, you're not alone. Underlines can occasionally appear when you're copying and pasting or simply by mistake when formatting. Whether you're finalizing a professional document or correcting a resume, knowing how to swiftly remove these underlines can greatly improve the presentation of your work. So let's dive right into the steps you need to follow to get rid of those unwanted underlines. First, make sure you have your document open in Microsoft Word. You'll want to navigate to the section where the text is underlined. Once you're there, simply select the text that seems to be causing the issue. This is usually just a matter of clicking and dragging your mouse over the words, or if you prefer, holding down the Shift key and using the arrow keys for more precise selection. This highlights the text with the underline, signaling that it's ready for formatting changes. Now direct your attention to the top of your Word window where you'll find the ribbon. This toolbar offers a myriad of options for editing your document, but the one we're interested in is nestled under the Home tab, which you should already be on by default when you open a Word document. If you're not, just click on Home to make sure it's active. Within the Home tab, look for the Font group. This cluster of tools is where you can control various aspects of your text's appearance, including its font, size, color, and of course, underlining. Here you'll notice the Underline button, which is represented by a capital U with a line beneath it. This icon is your key tool for today's task. Now, here's the crucial part. With your text still selected, click on this underline button once. If your text was underlined to start with, clicking this button will remove the underlining instantly. You might find this action very intuitive because it's designed to function as a toggle switch, allowing you to turn the underline formatting on and off with just a single click. And there you have it. Your text should now be free of the underline, leaving you with a cleaner and perhaps more visually appealing document. This straightforward process requires only a few seconds, yet it plays an essential role in maintaining the quality and professionalism of your document. So the next time you're faced with an unintended underline, you'll know exactly what to do. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks with Microsoft Word.